What's up? It's your boy Addicted to Pyro. What up, everybody? Just showing y'all my July 4th, 2022 stash. I finalized it today. Finally completed it. So we gonna check it out. Let me know what's up. What y'all think about it? Got the Magician 9 shots, of course. You guys already know that. Got another 9 shots. Special 200-gram cake. You guys know about Evil Clown. 200-gram cake, 16 shots. Super Stallion. 200-gram cake, 16 shots, my brothers. You guys know about Death Rattle already. I did an unboxing. Not really an unboxing, but I did a video about those earlier in one of my other stashes. Let's go. I got the number 500 Red Dahlia by Cutting Edge Fireworks. Also number 500 Gold Willow by Cutting Edge Fireworks. Another number 500 called Titanium Gold Palm to Purple by Cutting Edge Fireworks. Aggression by Raccoon Fireworks. Let's see how many shots. I'm not sure. How many shots is this? Aggression. 25 shots. Says it on the label right here. 25 shots, 200-gram cake. Volume is loud. Give you display direction, 20-second duration, and give you the colors. That's it right there. That's part of the new stuff that I got. Also, Strobing Willow, 25 shots by Raccoon Fireworks. That's part of one of the new ones that I got. Yep. Grab Whistling Buster shells by Miracle Fireworks. Gives you a picture of what each shell does. Let's see what it says up here. It gives you a direction and how to let it off. But yeah, that's 6 shells, Whistling Buster by Miracle Fireworks. Also got some festival shells, 6 shells made by Bright Star Fireworks. Also give you some pictures on the side. Yep. Got another one by Bright Star Fireworks. Assorted crackling shells, 6 pieces. There's about 6 shells in here. Gives you a picture of what it does. Well, it also has a performance right here. Brocade crown for the first shell. The second shell has red palm. Third shell has red pearls. 4th, purple pearls. 5, orange pearls. 6, white strobe. All with crackle. We're gonna see what those is hitting for. I want to see what those is really hitting for. Does this have a performance label? See, this one doesn't have a performance label. Nope. But there's some, looks like some okay festival shells, we'll see. Got another 200-gram cake by Dominator Fireworks, Neutron Star, 15 shots. Another one called Supersonic, 25 shots by Window Fireworks. Another 200-gram cake. You guys seen this one before? Peeps Pick. Crazy Space Travel. 16 shots, 200-gram cake. Black Blade by T-Sky. 16 shots, 200-gram cake. And we have one here, another 200-gram cake by Bright Star, 30 shots. Salute to Summer. Another 200-gram cake, Silent Power, 15 shots, all horsetails. Made by Window Fireworks. We have Raging Willow, 19 shot, 200-gram cake by Raccoon Fireworks. Supersonic, 25 shots by Window. Let's see what else we got right here. All right. So you ready to know Get Lit by Miracle Fireworks, 96 shots. I also have donut shells. I love the effects on these 6-inch donut shells by Window Fireworks. Let me see if I can get you guys a picture of the description. See the pictures? That's the effects. I love those effects. I had to get a box of these. We also have a 500-gram cake right here called Reigning Champ, 25 shots. I have another 500-gram cake, Precious Metals, 10 shots by Window Fireworks. It says 2-inch giant silver and gold combo willow. 10 shot, 500-gram cake. I know that's gonna be loud. Definitely gonna be loud. But yeah, Reigning Champ, I forgot to tell you guys, is made by Heavyweight Fireworks. 25 shots. Also have another 500-gram cake by T-Sky Fireworks, 36 shots, Showdown. Oh, Johnny Be Good, The Contender. Have another 500-gram cake called Hawaiian Dream, 24 shots. It gives you a performance description right here. It says, say aloha to palm trees with big orange, green, purple tiger tails. Grand Crackling Willow finale makes this a Maui Wowie. It gives you a description, colors, approximate duration, about 44 seconds, 165 feet, fan and straight. So it tells you the firing angles, 9 out of 10 for noise, 12-inch caliber, tail effect, Hawaiian Dream. Most of these cakes, I was looking at the videos on YouTube, man, I had to grab these. So I know these are gonna be special, definitely. I also have some 6-inch shells by Window Fireworks called Double Dragon. These are double break shells. I have 2 of those. You guys already know I had Boom Chica Pow. I added Old Ironsides. That was the one that I was telling you guys on the last video where I did my July 4th stash. I was talking about Irish Legend has a twin, but not an exact twin, but it has like a twin that does some good stuff like how Hit the Road Jack and Highfalutin is. So this is it, Irish Legend and Ironsides, Old Ironsides. Both of these are 350-gram cakes. They're pretty big, very heavy, very heavy. Irish Legend, Striker Serpent. See, All Ironsides, Brothers Fireworks, 30 shots, Brothers Heavyweight, Irish Legend, Brothers Heavyweight, 30 shots also. We have Striker Serpent, My Brothers 350 gram cake, 16 shots. We have the Nishiki Blast, 5 inches, made by, I think this is Raccoon Fireworks, yep. Give you a picture. 5-inch Nishiki Blast. I haven't tried these yet. Hopefully those hit hard. I'm thinking they probably hit hard like the 5-inch Nishikis from Phantom. We'll see. I also have some 500 gram case. I mean, some more. This one, Color Cascade, 20 shots by Window Fireworks. Trust me, guys. You guys gotta watch these videos. This 500 gram cake hit super hard. Sunshine State. I gave y'all the description of that on my last July 4th stash video. But it's made by Window Fireworks, 20 shots. We also have Zombie Rising by Miracle Fireworks, 20 shots, 500 gram cake. It says Nishiki Komuro. And I have another 200 gram cake by Brothers called Let It Rip. $12 shots. Man, this seems like it's gonna hit hard. I'm gonna check the video out to that. I didn't check the video out to that, so I don't really know how it hits, but it should hit hard. They replaced it with from something that I had ordered called, as a matter of fact, it was another 200 gram cake called Big and Bad. I wanted another one of those, but they end up swapping it out for this because they didn't have any more. You guys know about G-Force 108 shots by Phantom Fireworks. Super Fireworks Eagle Eyes 24 shot 500 gram cake. Rain of Fire 36 shot by Phantom Fire 500 gram cake. Really Rain of Fire premiere. Also have this one, Route 66 Badass 500 gram cake right here. Most of the 500 gram cakes I have is definitely badass. I made sure of that. Watched all the videos. Made sure I handpicked them. Handpicked my cakes. So all of these right here definitely hit hard. So here, guys. This is my July 4th stash. Let me know what you think about it. Oh, and I'm forgetting something too. This is a box of the Sky Thunder Roman candles. I had to get a whole box. I just said, you know what? Let's get a box of it. This is the 4-pack that I bought previously. I bought 4 4-packs. But then I ended up just buying a box. I should open it and show you guys. Let's see. Open it real quick. See how it's packaged. Yep. 24 pack. 24 packs of Sky Thunder. 8 shots by Cutting Edge Fireworks. I think it gives you a little description. Performance, different color tills with loud thunder. Sky Thunder by Cutting Edge. I had to get those. You guys want some real good Roman candles that hit real hard? Those are the ones. Right there. But yeah. This is my July 4th stash. Finalized. I say finalized, but it might not be. I might grab, you know, 1 or 2 more things to add to it, but it won't be much. But yep. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think.